Hi everyone. So this is our snow day. So I am going to go over a couple of things in PowerPoint that you need to do for your gemstone assignment that you may or may not know where to find things. So if you are at home and you're working on a Chromebook, you won't have access to all of the design features that are in the Microsoft Office proper program, but you should be able to access the free version. Just download MS Office and there should be an open one that you can use. Anyway, so for those of you who are using the proper version, if you have a laptop or a desktop, I gave you instructions on how to upload the program from Microsoft Office using your GoToVDSB. You have been asked to use I can't remember what it's called. Hold up for a sec. So you're being asked to use Vapor Trail. So when you're in PowerPoint, you've got your menu bar at the top here. Click on Design, and then in Design, once you get this open, click on this arrow here, and then you'll notice if you hover over these things, it will tell you what the name of it is. See, this is banded, this is circuit. So you can tell they're alphabetically ordered. So I would like, this is wood type. So I'm just going to leave it with you to find Vapor Trail. If you're not using the full version, I would like you to choose a background. But if you are using the full version, I would like you to use Vapor Trail. And so then one of the other things that you need to know how to do for this assignment is in transitions. So one of the requests is that you make sure that one of your transitions comes from the left. Well, transitions is one of the top menu items. I'm going to use push just because it's one that has a direction. Go over to effects options and it will, push from the left. Okay, so that's one of the things it's asked you to do. The other thing you are asked to do later on in the assignment is to time your slides. Now, from what I can see, that is not an option in the online or the free version of Office, but I will be looking for timed slides. And that is over here under advanced slide. You can say that it's going to be done after. Just click on the arrows, because what often happens is you guys will come in here and just type ask for 6 seconds. Well, that is 2.06 seconds. So make sure that you're not using that. This is the second here. So these are minutes and this is seconds. And these are fractions of a second. And I believe that is all you should need to know to finish this PowerPoint presentation. A couple of shortcuts. Control M adds a slide to the program. So Control M gets me my next slide. F5 will give you your slideshow, and because you need to look at this before you submit it, make sure that everything's working properly. You're going to be doing different transitions for each slide, right? So this is be a wipe. I'd need to make sure that after you do your advanced slide timing, apply to all, and that will look after your entire slideshow. You need to save these things. So you go File, Save As. If you're using an online version, you might have to do File, Save a Copy. Okay, and when you're working from home, you're going to just have to save it onto your computer, and then I would ask you to then upload it to your Google Drive, which I will show you here in a second. So to upload something to your Google Drive, open the folder that you want. You can right-click anywhere on the white space, upload files, and then you're going to choose your file. Here's mine, and I have it here, and then I put presentation 1, open, and it will upload your item.